is what's going to take you from good to great in the kitchen. So starting off, always spray your pans. Baker's Joy is amazing. It is a combination of greasing your pan and flouring it, which makes for the easiest release in things like bundt cakes, muffins, regular cakes. You always want to start with that. Next up, all vegetable shortening like Crisco. Experienced bakers have always depended on Crisco. So it helps cakes and things keep their shape and helps them rise. The other thing, because this is all vegetable, it replaces butter and it's great for any vegan recipes. So Crisco must have, and it also comes in bars. It makes it easy for measuring. Another pantry staple you have to have is great baking powder. This one is Clabber Girl. It's been around for 100 years. The thing about baking powder, it's gonna help your cakes rise, and this is double acting, which means it reacts with your baked goods the minute you introduce it to wet, and then it also acts again when you put it in the oven, gives great rise. But you always wanna make sure the expiration date, because it does go bad. So in order to test whether or not yours still works, just take a teaspoon of it, put it in hot water. If you get fizz, then it's good to go. Next up, spices. Spice Islands is a great brand. The spices give your baked goods like ginger cookies and pumpkin pie all that flavor. They need to be stored in a cool, dry place, so don't put them near your oven. Lastly, pure vanilla is a great substitute for sweeteners. So if you want to add a little bit to yogurt, add a little bit to your coffee, but really it's going to give depth to all your baked goods. So those are some pantry staples. If you want recipes or more ideas, go to bakingathome.com and happy baking.